She usually. Breakfast at 7 a.m. Has. Had. Is having. Will have. The correct answer is has. I. To the park yesterday afternoon. Go. Went. I'm going. Gone. The correct answer is went. They. TV when the phone rang. Watch. Were watching. Watched. Had watched. The correct answer is were watching. By the time we arrived, the movie already started, had already started, has already started, was already starting. The correct answer is had already started. She. English since she was 6. Learns. Has learned. Learned. Was learning. The correct answer is has learned. We. Football when it started to rain. Play. Were playing. Played. Had played. The correct answer is were playing. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. My friend at the station. Meet. Meeting. Will meet. Met. The correct answer is will meet. Look. The children. In the garden. Play. Are playing. Played. Will play. The correct answer is are playing. He. To the party last night because he was sick. Doesn't come. Didn't come. Hasn't come. Wasn't coming. The correct answer is didn't come. She. In this company for 10 years by next month. Will have worked. Will work. Works. Worked. The correct answer is will have worked. At this time yesterday, they. Dinner. Had. Were having. Have. Will have. The correct answer is were having. I. My homework yet. Didn't finish. Don't finish. Haven't finished. Hadn't finished. The correct answer is haven't finished. He. In the library when I saw him. Studies. Studied. Was studying. Had studied. The correct answer is was studying. She. To the meeting tomorrow. Isn't going. Wasn't going. Doesn't go. Didn't go. The correct answer is isn't going. How long? You lived in this city? Have. Had. Do. Did. The correct answer is have. By the end of this year, they. In New York for 5 years. Will live. Will be living. Will have lived. Lived. The correct answer is will have lived. He. To the gym every day, but now he is too busy. Used to go. Is used to go. Was used to go. Used to go. The correct answer is used to go. She, for an hour before you arrived, had been waiting, has been waiting, was waiting, waited. The correct answer is had been waiting. Right now, the students. A test. Write. Are writing. Wrote. Will write. The correct answer is are writing. By the time he gets here, we. Dinner. Will finish. Have finished. Will have finished. Finished. The correct answer is will have finished. I. A book when you called me last night. Was reading. Read. Had read. Am reading. The correct answer is was reading. She. Coffee, but now she drinks tea. Used to drink. Is used to drink. Drinks. Had drunk. The correct answer is used to drink. They finished the project yet? Did. Have. Do. Had. The correct answer is have. He. His keys yesterday. Loses. Has lost. Lost. Was losing. The correct answer is lost. This time tomorrow, I. On the beach. Will relax. Will be relaxing. Relaxing. Relaxed. The correct answer is will be relaxing.